Conversational Past Part 1. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to do the past tense in German. So this would be the past tense that people use in everyday speech. And the way that we do that is you'll need the verb haben. So at the beginning of the year when I had told you that haben and sein were the two most important verbs in the German language, that's because they have to deal with the past tense. Now we're only going to be looking at haben today. So haben plus something called a past participle. That would be in English things like eaten, seen, watched. So I've kind of got a mock-up here of what it's going to sort of look like. Ich habe ge. You're going to have a participle ge, and then the verb, and an ending t or en. Now I will get in and I will explain that in another video, how you know whether it's t or en at the end. But for now, I just want you to be able to recognize when something is in conversational past. So I have some sentences here with conversational past. Wir haben Herr der Ringe gelesen. We have read Lord of the Rings, or we read Lord of the Rings. We can translate that either way. Haben is our helping verb. Notice that I've conjugated that for my subject, wir haben. And at the very end, I have gelesen. Now you notice that it's got the word lesen in there, read. But I have a ge in front of it, and that kind of signifies that I'm using conversational past. This is a past tense marker. Now we used to have this in English. It's died out around the Middle Ages. But we still have it in German. Wir haben Herr der Ringe gelesen. We read Lord of the Rings, or we have read, whichever you prefer. Okay, next sentence. Hast du den Film gesehen? Did you see the movie? Or have you seen the movie? Either way. Notice our subject is du. We've conjugated that. The verb haben, hast, du hast. And we have gesehen at the end. Notice we have that ge in front that tells us it's past tense. And you see the verb see in there as well. Gesehen. Have you seen the film, or did you see the film? Nummer 3. Hat sehr schlecht getanzt. He danced very badly, or he has danced very badly. We conjugate haben for hat. At the very end, we see getanzt. Notice we have ge. That is our past tense marker. At the end, we have tanzt. Tanzen is a form of the verb to dance. Notice that these two have en and that one has a t. I will explain why that's the way it is in the next video. For now, just recognize that these are in the past tense. Fourth one, ihr habt sehr gut gesprochen. Haben is conjugated for our subject, ihr. Gesprochen, this one may not be as easy to recognize, but we do have a ge in front, which tells us it's past tense. Sprochen, this is a form of the verb sprechen. If you'll note in English, speak changes to spoken in past tense. We also have that same vowel shift in German. This one would be an irregular, and once again, I'll tell a little bit more about that in another video. That's it for now. Tschüss.